Sharp, sharp. This is Coach William Moore from the great state of New York, your certified credit coach. We want to do is get you off to a fast start. One of the first things we want to do is give you access to your customer portal. This is a portal that you will have 24-hour access. We're going to send you an invitation and you will receive an email. It looks just like this. You'll see that big green tab. When you hit that, this will allow you to establish a username and your password. Now, once that's done, you'll have access to your customer portal. It looks just like this. One of the first things you do is you do the welcome step. And what it'll do is it'll have a nice little cheesy video that kind of goes over the process of how we actually start challenging your credit, some of the things we need you to do, and what we're going to be responsible for doing. It has a nice little 4-minute video that does that. From there, you have the option of signing up for your Credit Hero score. Now, the majority of you probably don't have to do this step only because you've already given that information. So then you go where it says set up digital signature. This is very important because there are documents we have, like the customer agreement. We're going to need you to choose whatever signature you want. Then once you've done that, you just hit continue. And then from that point on, you will sign documents in that particular signature. After that, what you do is you start uploading your photos. Now, the Credit Repair Organization Act dictates that we must have Social Security and address verification. So usually a driver's license will suffice. You would actually hit that tab and then you can actually upload your driver's license. Take a nice clear photo. Make sure it's on either a PDF or a JPEG file, and then you can actually upload that into the portal. From there, you can do any type of proof of address, whether it be a utility bill. You can also use your Social Security card. So even though it's an address, proof of address, you can still use your Social Security card, either or, same thing, PDF or a JPEG. Take a clear photo and then you can upload that into your portal. And once you've done that, guess what? You are done. Now, every month you'll have access to your portal. That way you can look at all the information. You can actually see updates in real time. You can see the items that have been challenged and the items that have been deleted. We're going to give you full access to your portal.